Hello student, let us solve now question number 6 of exercise 1.4. Your question is, let star be the binary operation on n given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. Find number 1 5 star 7 comma 20 star 16. Second question is star commutative. Third question is star associative. Fourth question, find the identity of star in n. Fifth one, which element of n are invertible for the operation star. Let us first try to understand the question. Your binary operation star is given on the set n of natural number. You know the natural number set is infinite. And how the binary operation is given? Two elements a and b are related if it is given by what? LCM of a and b. That means here the operation is given by LCM of the two element a and b. So first question you have to find out 5 star 7. It means you have to get the 5 star 7 means what? If a star b is LCM of a and b, so 5 star 7 means LCM of 5 and 7. So here you have to get LCM of 5 and 7. Here LCM of 20 and 16. Like that we will discuss that later on. First go to the first question. Write down your set and the binary operation. 5 star 7. By definition it will be equal to what? A star b is LCM of a and b. So 5 star 7 is LCM of 5 and 7. You know how to find out the LCM of two numbers. Okay, so here this is 5 7s are 35, so the LCM is this one. Similarly 20 16, LCM of 20 and 16. How to do it? Here we have common factors, so you can do it by sort multiplication method as you have done in the earlier classes. First you divide, take 20 and 16, do sort multiplication. Both of them are divisible by 2 first, right? Then divisor will be equal to, if divisor is 2, then quotient will be, first one is 10 and then 8. Again both of them divisible by 2, that gives you 5 and 4. 5 4 are co-primes, so they have no any common factor. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 80. You can check by do the calculation yourself. Okay. Now the second part of the question is star commutative. So what is your commutative law? I hope you remember. You have to show, yes, the position of the elements. If you change, if the result remains as it is, then it is said to be commutative. So first we will consider A star B. A and B are into element. So A star B is given by what? LCM of A and B. So similarly B star A is given by LCM of B and A. And we know LCM of A and B and A are same. So the result is what? Commutative. So I have written here LCM of A and B is equal to LCM of B and A. This is true for all AB belongs to the set of natural number. So we can write down what? A star B is equal to B star A. The star is commutative. The next part of the question is star associative? For associativity, we have to take three elements, is not it? A, B, C. The position of the brackets, when you sense is the result same, then it is said to be associative. Let us consider it. So for associativity, we have considered A, B, C be three natural number. First, we will take the bracket between A and B, star C. A star B means what? LCM of A and B, star C. This is suppose one element D. Then D and C will be there. D star C means what? LCM of D and C. And LCM of D and C is nothing but A, B and C. You can give the name if you want as D and do the calculation. Otherwise, you can do it directly. Okay. Then next is A star, B star C. For first, you have to do the calculation for B star C. So A star remains as it is. B star C means LCM of B and C. Again, take the what? A star this expression. So LCM of this and this one. LCM of A, B and C. Thus we have seen A star B star C is equal to A star within bracket B star C. So the conclusion is what? The operation star is associative. Now the next part of the question, number 4, find the identity element of star in N. That means in a set of natural number, you have to get the identity element under the operation star. So what is the definition of identity element? I hope you remember. For if first you have to take any element A, and if you can find out an element E in the set such that A star E gives you A and it is also commutative, then we call E as the identity element. So here also we have considered one element A, okay, the natural number, and we consider suppose that E be the identity element. So if E is the identity element, then obviously A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Here I missed this equal sign, you put this equal sign, okay? Now, A star E means what? A star E means LCM of A and E. A star E is LCM of A and B, and that is equal to A. Now we see under what condition LCM of two different number is equal to number itself. You can take any natural number. Suppose you take 2 and 1. The LCM of 2 and 1 will be equal to 1. 2 and 3. What is the LCM? It's 6. 3 and 1. LCM is 3. 4 and 1. LCM is 4. So when you take the LCM of any number with 1, then only the number remains as it is. So it means what? 1 is the identity element. So I've directly written here E implies E is equal to 1. Because LCM of two element A and E is equal to A only when E is equal to 1. So 1 is the identity element of star in N. Now we have one more part of the question. Which element of N are invertible for the operation star? Again, now we have to go for a definition of invertible function. Hope you remember. First, you have to consider an element A, and then you have to see whether the identity element exists or not. Here we have got it, that identity element exists. Then if you can find out an element B such that A star B is equal to the identity element, then we call that element B is the inverse. So here we have considered an element A in N. Suppose this is the invertible element with respect to operation star. And if there exists an element B such that A star, that's the definition I have written. A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A. Here we know E is equal to 1. So we can write down A star B is equal to, in the place of, we can write down 1. A star B means what? LCM of A and B. And that is nothing but LCM of B and A also. Okay? That is equal to 1. So under what condition the LCM of two element is equal to 1? Obviously both of them must be equal to 1. কেতিয়া আমাৰ দুটা এলিমেন্টৰ LCM টো 1 হ'ব যেতিয়া তোমালোকৰ কি হ'ব দুইটা এলিমেন্টে 1 হ'বই লাগিব নহলেতো নহব কাৰণ সেই এলিমেন্টটোৱে হ'ব সেই কাৰণে আমি কি গম পালো Thus 1 is the only invertible element of N with respect to the operation star. Hope you understand the solution. This type of questions are very important for exam purpose. Thank you.